Can I sell my Pi, and how do I do that? Is a question I've been getting lately because it is now listed and trading on exchanges such as Huobi, Bitmart, Hotcoin, and the rest of them. The answer to this question is no. However, you can use it to purchase goods and services. You cannot sell your Pi coin right now because the Pi network is still in the enclosed network phase of the mainnet. Before you can sell your Pi coin on any exchange, it must transition to the mainnet open network phase, and KYC verification must be completed for this to occur. If you have done your KYC, then congratulations. You can transfer your Pi from one wallet to the other. However, a lot of people still needs to be KYC, I myself included. To complete KYC, you wait to receive a notification prompting you to do that, or you download the Pi browser, open it, and click on kyc.pi. If it says, "Thank you for your interest in applying for Pi KYC, a slot is not available at this time," then you just have to keep waiting until it happens. This has been slow, and I just hope they speed things up. Anyway, the question is, how did the Pi token end up on these exchanges? And the answer is, the Pi traded on these exchanges is an IOU. The Pi network team has warned that this Pi is not the official Pi token. On CoinMarketCap also, there is a clear warning that it is an IOU and thus cannot be transferred between exchanges. So what exactly is an IOU? IOU stands for I owe you. Let me explain. This is John. John sells gold. He buys it from South Africa. He does not, however, have gold at this time, but Ola wants gold. So he goes to John and says, "I'll pay you for gold." John collects the money and hands over to Ola a token saying, "This is a gold I owe you from me. So I owe you gold. When I return from South Africa, give me back this token in exchange for the real gold." Deal done. Ola can, however, go ahead and sell this gold IOU to another person, and that person can sell to another person, and so on, until John returns from South Africa. Whoever is with the token can exchange it for the real gold from John. This is the same thing with the Pi network IOU token on these exchanges. You can buy it there and exchange it for the real token in the open mainnet phase. Do you understand that? The next question is, will I, Jude, buy the Pi IOU? No, and this is the reason. The real Pi network coin is not yet traded, so no one really knows what the price is. It could be below $1 or much above it. No one really knows the price. The market will determine what the price will be at the open network phase. At the time of this video, Pi coin is trading at $45 on these exchanges. So if I buy it for $45 and it lists at $5 eventually, I would have lost $40 per coin. I can only make profits if I sell it above $45, which I doubt it will be listed above $45 when it eventually do so, because a lot of people are mining Pi coin for free. So instead of taking the risk of buying the IOU, I would rather keep mining that coin. If you're not mining the coin already, you can use the link in the description to do so. And if you're still bent on selling your Pi coin, then you can use it to buy products and services on Reddit. Just go to Reddit, search for that, see the product available, see the service available, and use your Pi coin to buy the one you want. That said, I have a DeFi class coming up. I will leave the links for you to register for that class in the description. Also join our Telegram group for the latest updates. And watch this next video to learn about the top coins I'm investing in this year, which have the potential to increase in value by up to 30x.